Baby Shark Brooklyn. Bebe Fin. Ouch! I've got a stomachache. Welcome to Baby Shark's Hospital. Whenever you need our help, we can make you feel better. Swish, swish.
Our first patient, Thief Baby Shark. Come right in. Yes, I'm right here. Coming.
Right this way, please.
Owie, I've got a stomach ache. Please help me.
Can you tell me what you're feeling?
My tummy hurts.
Let's use a stethoscope and take a look. Hold on. You've got a lot of icky germs in your stomach. Oh my, I think you've had too much ice cream to eat. When you eat too much ice cream, it makes your stomach cold, and that can give you a stomachache.
Can you make it better?
Don't worry, I can make you feel all better. All right, let's get you some medicine that's going to help your stomach. William, could you take care of that?
Of course. Shake, shake. I'll mix it for you. Shake, shake.
This special syrup should heal your stomach right up. Should we give it a try?
Do I have to?
All the icky germs are gone. What can we do next to help you feel better? Maybe a shot?
A shot? I think I feel better now, thanks.
Don't worry. Just because you have a tummy ache doesn't mean you need a shot. When you have a tummy ache, you need to make sure to keep it warm.
Keep my tummy warm?
Right. If you use this heat pack, you'll feel better in no time.
Really?
Yes, I'll put it on your tummy right away.
That feels really nice. Wow, thanks. I feel all better now. Owie, stomach ache, now it's all better. Healthy body, healthy heart, you're the best, Baby Shark. Now I'm feeling better, thank you all. Now I am nice and healthy, yeah!
Thief Baby Shark treatment done! Our next patient is Mommy Shark. Welcome!
Owie, my face really hurts. Please help me.
Can you tell me what you're feeling?
Oh, ouch! It really hurts!
Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Hold on. Looks like you've got sharp, pointy thorns all over your face. Wow, that must really hurt. Let me help you remove all these thorns. First, let's use tweezers to carefully remove the thorns.
Oh, Dr. Baby Shark, I'm so scared.
But if you just leave them, it's going to get worse. I promise I'll help you feel better in no time. We need to clean it before the germs spread. Let's put a bandage on it to keep it from scarring. Friends, will you help us pick out a bandage? All right, the star-shaped one.
Wow, thanks, Dr. Baby Shark.
Owie, owie, pointed thorns, now it's all better. Healthy body, healthy mind, you're the best, Baby Shark. Now I'm feeling better. Thank you all, now I am nice and healthy, yeah!
Mommy Shark treatment done! Our last patient is Grandpa Shark. Come in, please.
Owie, owie, my stomach really hurts. Please help me.
Can you tell me what you're feeling?
Oh. My poop won't come out.
Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Hold on. Looks like you've got lots of sticky poo in your tummy. Oh no, your tummy is full of poo. And I can give you some tips that will help your poo to come right out. If you want healthy poo, you need lots of fruits and vegetables and plenty of water. Should we start with the fruits and veggies?
Okay.
Now that you're done with that, drink an entire glass of water.
All right. I ate all those fruits and vegetables and drank all that water, but it didn't help.
Then the secret weapon. Woohoo! It's time to do the poopy dance. Just watch and repeat after us. When your tummy hurts, just remember these two things. Use a heat pad to keep your tummy nice and warm. Rub, 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 rub your tummy round and round, nice and slow.
Hold on a minute.
A big push.
That feels so much better. Yahoo!
Owie, owie, constipated, now it's all better. Healthy body, healthy mind, you're the best, Baby Shark. Now I'm feeling better. Thank you all, now I am nice and healthy, yeah!
Grandpa Shark treatment done! I'm so glad everyone is feeling better now.
Yes, we feel so much better. Thank you, Dr. Baby Shark.
Join me again next time, my friends. See you!
Bye!
Hi, friends! Welcome! If you're sick, we'll make you strong again. This is the Baby Shark Hospital. Let's help our sick friends today. Huh? They're the kids that went on a picnic today. I wonder what happened. Friends, follow us inside the hospital.
Okay, first patient, please come in.
Where are you hurting? What brings you here?
My palms keep on prickling.
much pain. We'll treat you quickly. Before looking at the wound, let's wash all the sand off the hands. Now, shall we take a closer look at the wound? The shard of glass isn't pretty deep. Let's quickly pull it out with tongs.
Doctor, I'm so scared.
If you leave it like this, it will keep hurting. Hang in there. I'll pull it out so it doesn't hurt. Glass shard removal done! Now let's put some medicine on the wound. Great! Lastly, let's apply a Band-Aid so the wound doesn't get infected. Friends, will you choose the shape of the Band-Aid? Heart-shaped Band-Aid? That sounds great!
Wow, there are so many colorful hearts on my hand.
Heart Band-Aids done! Pointy glass do-do-do-do-do has been do-do-do-do-do pulled out do-do-do-do-do treatment done!
Thank you for helping, friends. Let's play with sand together next time.
Where are you hurting? What brings you here? Ow, ow, my ear, it hurts inside. There is a bug inside your ear. Tickle, 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 it really hurts. I need to take a look inside your ear. Friends, can you help me? First, let's wipe the crumbs off of the ear. Great! It's clean now! My ear tickles again! Oh no! Let's quickly check where the bug is in the ear. Wow, what a surprise! The ant was here! Let's quickly remove it with tongs so it doesn't go deeper. Now, let's catch the ant carefully. Stop right there! Phew! We got you! Now, let's wipe the remaining traces of the ant with disinfectant. All wiped! The ear is clean now! Tickle, tickle, do-do-do-do-do, the ant, do-do-do-do-do, in the ear, do-do-do-do-do, has been caught! It's good to clean up snacks right after eating them. Okay! Where are you hurting? What brings you here? My tummy hurts, I might throw up. You must have eaten spoiled food. My tummy's going gurgle, gurgle. Oh no, food spoils easily in hot weather. I think you have a stomach ache. I'll take a look. Let's check the patient's condition with a stethoscope. I need to find my stethoscope. Is it the second one? Huh? Ah! It was a monkey, not my stethoscope. Phew, I'm sorry. I'll get the stethoscope quickly. Your heart is beating fast. Thump, thump, thump. Your stomach must have hurt a lot. We need to treat it with medicine. Friends, can you shake the medicine hard to finish preparing it? Liquid medicine, ready! I don't like the bitter taste. I don't want it. How can I help my friend stop crying? Let's choose something to soothe a crying friend. How about candy? If you eat the medicine, you'll feel better soon and can eat this candy. Now, let's see what's going on in your stomach. Friends, let's help the nurse fight the germs. Woohoo! We defeated the germs! All the bad do-do-do-do-do scary germs do-do-do-do-do in the stomach do-do-do-do-do have been caught. The candy is really yummy. You did a great job during treatment. Friends, promise to be careful of what you eat on a hot day. I'm so glad you're all healthy again. From now on, be careful not to get hurt.
Okay, thank you for treating us.
Thank you for your help, friends. Let's treat our sick friends together again next time. Bye! Hi, friends! If you're sick, we'll make you strong again. This is the Baby Shark Hospital. Huh? Oh, I think some sick friends have arrived.
Doctor, please help us.
Oh, friends, let's start treatment quickly.
First patient, Grandma Shark. Please come in.
Where are you hurting? What brings you here?
I think I ate too many clam buns. Nom nom! Oh, my tummy!
You have a tummy ache from eating too much.
Owie, ow, owie, ow, my tummy hurts.
Don't worry, I'm going to help you feel better. Friends, are you ready? Let's help Grandma Shark feel better together.
Oh, my tummy!
Hang in there, Grandma Shark. We're going to treat you so you feel better. Let's take a look at her tummy. Where is my stethoscope? Let's see. The heart is doing great. Oh no, I hear thunder sounds in the belly. This won't do. Nurse, please prepare the shot.
Shot? Oh, my!
Don't worry, it won't hurt one bit.
Oh.
It will be quick. 1, 2, 3.
Oh dear, I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Finally, I'll give you some medicine. Nurse, please prepare the powder medicine. Shall we open the back? Carefully mix it in the water and... Wow! Medicine complete! Friends, only eat medicine your doctor gives you, and only eat the amount you're told. Promise! Now, try it, Grandma Shark.
Oh, so bitter. Oh, my tummy feels better.
Grandma Shark, do-do-do-do-do, now your tummy do-do-do-do-do feels better. Do-do-do-do-do, all digested.
I feel better now. Thank you so much. I'm so relieved.
I'm so glad. Chew well and eat slowly from now on. Now, next patient. Where are you hurting? What brings you here?
Owie, owie, ouch, ouch, my throat stings.
You have some thorns in your throat.
Owie, ow, it stings, it really hurts.
Oh, let's pull out the thorns quickly. Let's find the thorns with a flashlight and pull them out with tweezers. I'm ready. Grandpa Shark, say ah, please.
Ah.
Friends, let's quickly pull out the thorns that are bothering Grandpa Shark. I found one. Slowly. I got it. There's another one. 1, 2, 3. I found one more. Phew! We removed all the thorns. Oh no, look! There are lots of wounds. Let's put on some ointment. Slowly and carefully. All done! Woohoo! Treatment done!
Grandpa Shark, do-do-do-do-do, all the thorns, do-do-do-do-do, in your throat, do-do-do-do-do, are removed. Ahem! It doesn't hurt anymore.
It's a good thing you came to the hospital quickly. There could have been a problem if you left the thorns for too long.
Thank you so much.
Third patient, Hammerhead Shark, please come in. Where are you hurting? What brings you here?
Ouch, ouch, I bumped my head on a rock. It's a clam. Ow, ow.
You've got a big lump on your head.
Owie, ow, owie, ow, it really aches. My face. Oh no.
It's okay. Friends, let's get rid of Hammerhead Shark's lump. First, let's apply a cold ice pack. I'll prepare the ice pack for you. Huh? There are 2 ice packs. Which one do you think we should use? Let's use the red ice pack with a pretty shape on it. Here.
It's hot.
Oops! This is a hot pack. I'm so sorry. I'll change it to a cold ice pack.
It's going to be cold.
It's cold.
Hang in there a little bit. The lump is getting smaller. All right, let's put the ointment on now. Let's squeeze a lot of ointment on a cotton swab. And now carefully put the ointment on where the lump is.
Ow! Ow!
You were so brave. I'll put a Band-Aid on it now. Friends, what shape should we use? A twinkling star shape? Okay. Here, how do you feel?
Huh? I think I feel better. Hammerhead shark, do-do-do-do-do, now you feel do-do-do-do-do, all better, do-do-do-do-do, treatment done. Doctor, nurse, thank you for the pain-free treatment.
Get home safely, everyone, and stay healthy. Oh.
Thank you so much.
Friends, let's give treatments together next time, okay? Bye!
Hey guys, did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe! Search for Baby Shark Brooklyn on YouTube.